Hey guys, Dan McCoy with Tom McCoy. Hopefully you're going to check out a lot of cool videos this week. We are standing outside the convention center right now, which is absolutely enormous. You can see behind me, they got some really cool toys in the background. Let's go inside and check out some of the booths in there. Hi everybody, Dan McCoy, Tom McCoy. We're here in the magnificent Schwing booth with Tom OMalley representing Schwing for us, and he's got a bunch of new products. Tom, you want to tell us about the improvements you've made to the loop belt between the acquisition of that and, gosh, that outstanding S36 you got over there?
Sure, thanks Dan. Yeah, we've got two really exciting new products here in Las Vegas at the World of Concrete. First is the loop belt 40 meter. Tom McCoy does really well with their loop belt in Indianapolis, and I think the thing that sets the loop belt apart is really the design. We acquired this design a couple of years ago, and the capacity of this machine with the 20-inch belt is 40% higher than competitive belts, and really what that translates to is less wear. You can actually put out the same volume of concrete or of backfill material, same output running the belts 40% slower. So it really translates to fuel savings, less wear and tear, and really high production for the end user of the pump.
We've noticed it also has the ability that if you want to turn up volume, you can move a lot of material.
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, honestly, you can hit 300 yards an hour. Yeah. We all know the slump impacts the capacity, the angle of the feed conveyor, but at the end of the day, the loop belt will put down 300 yards an hour under the right conditions.
And we've experienced with our customers a lot more material movement.
For sure.
And the way you can combine those jobs between material placement and then concrete placement, they time it right. You know, they get smarter as they go. They're advantageous, and you know, we end up going out to a job and we're doing 2-3 different setups and different materials every day. That's the great thing about a belt.
Absolutely, the dual purpose. You know, back in the old day, they had other methods for placing the rock or the gravel or the stone for the drain tile, and to be able to come in with one machine, placing backfill, solving that issue, and also placing concrete when you're on site from one mobilization, one setup. Yeah, there's real advantages for the end users, the ability to place different types of material with the belt.
Outstanding. Are you going to tell us a little bit about that 36 and how the sections work?
Yeah, the 36.
Pretty amazing to me.
The 36 is really catching a lot of our visitors, catching their eye. It's right here in the front of the booth. So the 36 Revolution boom has the first of its kind technology. We use a direct drive linkage in the 2-3 knuckle and in the 3-4 knuckle. So the tip section goes 360 degrees continuous, and the number 3 knuckle goes 330 degrees. So really, it's unprecedented articulation, which really translates to unprecedented boom flexibility. You know, whether you're just going out doing a house foundation, or you're pouring under a low clearance, or pumping up into a mezzanine, or in through a tight window, the Revolution boom really has versatility that no other concrete pump has.
I think it'll be a great compliment to the fleet of anybody that deals with 20 meter, 31 meter for the 31EZ. I really think that 36 would be a nice niche to go in between that and the larger, say like a 43 like we have, or something else. But it's really impressive what you've done with the engineering of that boom.
Yeah, we tested it. We tested it for a long time in Schwing, Austria. That was where the concept developed, and we actually tested it in factory conditions. And we basically moved the sections 12 hours a day for about 2 or 3 months. I forget what the timeline was, but that translated to 15 years worth of articulation. So it's really thoroughly tested. You know, another little hidden benefit is without the boom cylinders, the pump actually has a tighter profile.
Oh yeah.
So not only does it have more articulation, but it'll fit in tighter places. So you can really put that boom in places where no other boom will go.
It's just amazing. Well, Tom, thanks a lot. We're going to look around, have some fun. I really appreciate it.
No, thank you. We're glad you're here, and we're going to have a great week.
Well, that's it, boys. I guess there's nothing else to learn from Schwing.